Another comparison, ours is ABS material anti-aging, high surface brightness. Other companies is PP material. Ours is ABS, high surface brightness, good texture, weight 7 kilograms. Other brand, PP material, 1 kilograms. Ours is a large digital screen controller panel with silicone buttons. Ours is an electric air outlet with automatic front end, rear sweeping and manual left and right sweeping. The decibel level of our outdoor fan is 70 dB, while the X brand exceeds 80 dB. Meanwhile, we have a larger airflow. Our bottom plate has a frame and is thicker, and the water outlet is designed. Our motor has a large diameter, high air output, and is equipped with a harder outer shell. Our fan is big and blades are thickened and have strong hardness. Our fans are equipped with dust-proof covers to prevent water from entering the motor. Our compressor starts smoothly and silently. The X product shakes badly. Our condenser is larger size and better heat dissipation. Ours is an expanded tube clear water aluminum, foil evaporator, large product, fast cooling, and convenient drainage. Our current is small and saves electricity. Brand X's current is large, and there is no frequency conversion function when it stops suddenly. Ours has strong viscosity, good sealing, and is also wider and thicker than the X brand. Ours has strong viscosity, good sealing, and is also wider and thicker than the X brand.